Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 13 of Follow a Sketch February that is put on by the lovely Sandy, who is the owner of Scrapping Reflections. Here is our sketch today. It is a 2-page sketch. I just kind of took the bits and pieces that I wanted. So we're going to have, it's like a, looks like it's I'm going to do half and half. I don't know. I'm going to figure that out. So what I'm going to do is like half here, and then there's a band of this there, and then the band all the way across. So we're going to do 3 photos and finish up Thanksgiving. So this was, excuse me, the turkey that my husband fixed. And then there's the dinner and horrible lighting. My prompt for myself today is Flair. So if you want to know all about the prompts, head over to my Facebook group, which is linked down below, and check those out. I'm going to be finishing up using excuse me, one of the scrap room kits. I have 2 little puffy title bits left, so we'll get those on there. Some fussy cut items and some other items, and then some scraps. I know, I saved them, right? Our one 12 by 12, which, excuse me. And then I do have some bigger scraps that I can make that stuff out of. But I've also brought in just this little, I don't even know what to call it. I would say monstrosity. Of just fall stuff that I can add in. So get some more of those scraps on there, because I do keep the scraps, you guys, when everything is stuck together. And this one's quite a bit older, so because it's older, I probably wouldn't have kept all these, but I did, so we're just going to keep them in there. I do have a mini paper pad, which was my focus last month, but this guy was hiding somewhere, so we're going to use this to mat the photos and anything that I need to pull from embellishments in there. I am going to properly just throw those away. Yeah, I did. I went there. So let's cut the branding strip off. Let's just start with that and see where we can go. I haven't been feeling very well, and so I took some medicine and slept today, and now I'm up. That's probably not my best idea. So we want to do a half and half-ish, which we're not really going to get a half and half, are we? Because we don't have a half and half. So let us take that branding strip off. And then is this a 12? And is this a 12? Oh, it is, both ways. Interesting. So which one is going to give us more bang for our buck, right? So this one is thicker. All right, so let's do this. We're gonna throw that piece away. And then what do we got? We can actually, is this 12? My goodness gracious, it is. So we can kind of use, is that not 12? This can't be 12, can it? It cannot be. It is not. It's 11 and a half. Grr. Okay. What do we got going on here? So we'll just make this something. Let's see if we can get some of these pieces used up, right? Alright. Then what do we have? We have this. maybe we'll leave like that. I don't really know. I don't know what we got going on, so we're going to figure this out. So I feel like we can do something like that. And then we'll do that. And then we're going to layer these guys up. Probably won't be using those. I actually kind of like that. I don't know. What's this? Oh, we could do that. But then I don't like that. I don't like that. And then do this. Look at that, look at that, look at that. I'm not real certain that any of this is going to pique my interest here. I don't like that. What if we take all those added ones out? I don't like that, but I do like this. So what if we just do that? Like this. Look at that. We actually want to do it this way to kind of pull in. We've got that right there, and then we've got it split up. So yeah, there we go. All right. Score one for the home team, right? And then these, we don't need. Trim them all down for nothing. All right, let's see if we can find something in here that doesn't clash horrible with what we've got going on. What do you guys think? Well, I think we can go with all the reds, don't you think? Why not? She says very hesitantly. Oh! Echo Park is not playing. And we've got that one, and there we go, we've got that one. So we will map the photos with all of those. And you know what? We could actually come in with this, maybe? No. Yummy. The Y just came off of yummy. All right, so I have fluffed around with that enough. So I'm going to map my photos. I'm going to actually trim them down, mat them, and get this stuck down, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we've got that all down. Photos matted and stuck on here. Title is Yummy Kitchen. I know. Now let's get some of these. Oh, not some of them. The rest of these little embellishments on here. So we're going to put the little house here because, you know, we were home. Then we're going to put this little house down here. We're going to get the mixer up at the top to kind of start our little clusters. And I've got love. We'll see. We have a ton of stuff that I could bring in, right? So we've got sticker sheets in here. We've got some chipboard, and then that whole monstrosity. So let's see what we have as far as what we got going on down here. So we can pull in a pumpkin, a little hedgehog, why not? That guy might not work. Another little pumpkin. Little acorn. Little acorn. Let's do a little foxy. Okay. What? Let's pull in the little November, right? Why not? And do that little acorn. And just have a plethora of acorns hanging out. And I really like this little weirdo guy, little banner piece there. We can do the beautiful days of fall. Okay, let's see if we can get... Now, what do we have as far as... Excuse me. Yeah, that was, you know, horrible. I've got such the cough. I'm going to pop that little guy down there. Let's see. Just kind of start building up the clusters a little bit. All right. Mr. Hedgehog's going to live on this front porch. Okay. What else do we have? Oh, apologies. Let's pull in this cute little blessed. And this little guy. And put him right there. And get November on here as well. And I'm okay with covering up the pictures. It's not one of those make or break things in my life, right? Like, wasn't really anything special. Stick that one there. Let's get the pumpkin on the other side. Where's Mr. Foxy gonna go? I think Foxy should go up here. Wasn't Foxy Loxy part of the hens? Chicken Little. Yeah, I think so. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright. Then we'll get the little acorns on. Kind of do those just like, you know. I don't really know what we're going to do with the little acorns. We're going to pop them around because I got them off. Kind of just using them as little accent pieces at this point. All right. Let's come in with some of these little plaid hearts because I think they're super cute. Just to add a little bit of something around the layout. All right. And that is more stash used up. Love is going to go up here in our little bin. And you guys, that's going to do it for today's layout. So, don't forget... Oh, you know what? No, it's not. You know why? Because I don't have any Flair on here. And I don't actually know if I can get Flair on here at this point. But let's look. Because that was the prompt. And I almost failed. I gotta grab my little Flair bin. Alright. What have we got in here? I don't know. Just pull those three in. Why not? Alright, so these have got, let's see. So I'm just going to cut my foam, and then I just stick it in there. So this is fun foam. You guys know it. You love it. We all use it. I buy mine on Amazon. Nothing special. I actually have it on like a subscription where I get it delivered every other month because I pretty much use it. Alright, we're going to stick these on there. So let's just drop glue. On there. Close this up because my art glitter glue, you guys know, it dries up like with the quickness. So we'll go ahead and stick that one there. Whoa! Well, we're going to stick this one over here because that's where it went. Not where I would have actually put it. In the words of Pretty Woman, slipper little buggers. And we'll get that one up there. Alright. That was an epic mess and failure. Alright, you guys, so seriously, thank you so much for hanging out with me and putting up with my antics. And I will holler at you later with another video. Don't forget to check everyone else out. Bye.